Good morning. I am out of the bubble. Yes, today I am in Middleburg, Florida, which is outside of Jacksonville, for a new listing. Yes, I have a listing out here in the Jacksonville area because my followers found me on YouTube and they're actually buying a home in the Villages. So I am here to list this gorgeous 3,000 square foot, beautiful home on the water. Wait till you see all the added features and bonuses that this home offers. I'm super excited to bring that to you. So if you're looking to move to Florida and the Villages might not be your cup of tea, let's go on inside and take a look around. And if you want to make them an offer they can't refuse, you got to call me. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in Florida. If you're looking to buy or sell a home, I am your girl. My other camera, my phone number will be listed up here at the top throughout the entire video. I'm here to answer any questions you might have about the property. If you want to show it, let me know. All right, let's go on in and take a look inside. Start out, this is a nice neighborhood, very quiet home. So in this development, different builders built the home. So it's unlike where I'm used to, where there is one developer. This was a mixture of developers. And I'll drop the name in because it's Dries, but I want to make sure I spell it right. I will drop it into the bottom here. We're going to walk in. There's beautiful high ceilings throughout. This is more of a formal dining room space in the entrance. There are tile floors throughout. Now, most of the flooring is the square tile, but the homeowners ripped out the carpet and they put that wood-like tile floor. And they have a beautiful leaded glass door, brings in a lot of natural light into here, but this home is so bright and airy. Now, when you walk in, all right, this is, I'm gonna just give you a quick preview. There's the water view. That's the living room, just to get some reference. There's a big pantry through here. There's like a place to hang your coats, take your shoes off, interior laundry. But immediately to the right, with French doors, this would be a fifth bedroom. It's on the smaller side, could be used as an office, but it does have a walk-in closet. And you will not be lacking for storage in this home. Big, beautiful, tall windows, so that's why you can see this. It's so bright. All right, now, again, front door. This is the fifth bedroom. We're going to go into this side of the home, and you have a full bath, 2 sinks, big tub shower, and a linen closet. Commode on the side, but this tub, let me see, and it's all tile. It's not that insert, or the walls tile, but this is, just the regular tub. But this is a large tub, so if you want to take a bath, you're gonna love it. And we have this really pretty quartz countertop. I like that. Let's move on. Now, you could use this as an in-law side of the home if you needed it. We have 2 storage closets here, 2 linen closets, whatever you want to put in there. Then we have, this is that tile floor I was telling you about. It looks like wood, but it's tile. Let's say this is bedroom, we call it 4. We're going to count backwards. So this is a large space. This is a double bed, but you could easily fit a king in here or a queen. So whatever you needed. It's got a lot of furniture, a lot of space. And this too has a walk-in closet. Again, you have storage here, front bedroom. And this also has a walk-in closet. Has the 5¼ inch baseboards. And this, I'd say this color is a light blue, but look at all that window. Definitely love the look. Okay. And the panel doors, modern, not old style. Now this is a homeowners association community, and it does have, it's gated. So you get stickers for your car, or there's a passcode that you can give to your guests when they arrive. Now look at this space. Check it out. Look at those cabinets. Everything is finished off nicely. It has 10-foot ceiling, and then that tray adds an extra foot, maybe, yeah, probably about a foot. And the beams, I think, give it a lot of character. It just changes the eye appeal to it. So it's living room, eat-in kitchen. There's an island. You have a little coffee bar. This is obviously, if you're looking for a place to host big gatherings or small gatherings, this is definitely the house for you. The countertops are granite, stainless steel appliances, everything is electric. And straight through there is an ensuite bedroom. Behind me is the primary, and then this room here we're going to go into, that's a sunroom. That could be another office. You could turn it into a bedroom if you workout room, whatever you choose to do. There isn't a closet in there, but there is plenty of space. We're going to take a look at that in a moment. But I want to make sure you get the full effect of that beautiful view. And that is a fully stocked pond, so it's catch and release. You can fish in there. Obviously, you have to throw it back. Whole home irrigation, and it's not, those ponds are not spring fed, and they are fed through the city, so it will stay pretty full all of the time. You don't have to worry about it getting empty. The TV on the wall and the surround sound, that is, you can see the speakers right there, will remain. And there is a security system. That is a camera. It is turned off. So they're not monitoring anything and will not be monitoring anything while we are listing the property. Plenty of cooking space, preparation and storage, and double ovens. Awesome. You have some drawers here to put all your pots. Cooktop. Nice tile. That's a grayish subway tile. Very neutral, blends in well with this countertop. I actually have this granite. Mine's a little bit whiter, but it still has those same red flecks to it. Before we go into the, well, I'll tie the pantry in with the kitchen. Wait till you see this. You're definitely not going to have to worry about putting anything out on your counters or find a place to store your food. This home has everything that you could possibly need. Now you do maintain your own home. Water, your trash, lawn care. The homeowners association will maintain the common areas. If you wanted to change the color of your exterior, you have to go and get approval from the homeowners association. I shove my bag under there. There's a place to hang your coats. You can see they have the dog leads, handbag, a little decoration at the top. This is the interior laundry. It's a large laundry room with a lot of storage. I don't put my clothes in the dryer except for towels, but you can hang up clothes in here if you needed to dry them. It's plenty of space. All right, before we go back over into the bedrooms, I want to keep everyone out of suspense. Let's check out this oversized garage. So technically, when you look at this, you're going to think, oh, this is a 2-car garage. Has epoxy flooring. You see it comfortably fits this car, but I'll show you back here. And there is storage in the attic above. So they have all these storage shelving, all this storage shelving up above. But look at the size of this room. Now, if you were to get rid of this refrigerator and all of this shelving, you could fit another car in here. So technically, this could be a 3-car garage. Perfect, gentlemen, you have a muscle car, maybe a couple motorcycles that you want to keep inside, and you have 2 cars, well, you have the space for it here. Electrical panel. There is irrigation. I'll show you that in a moment. Let's take another little peek outside as a break before we go back in. It's a hot one out. Street light. City trash, you get a 1 garbage pail, no bags. It's, you know, they come and they pick it up with the machine and no recycling. Everything is commingled. Okay. Go back in. All right. Again, check that view out. All right, this is another bedroom. You can consider this 2 or 4 or the 5th. Walk-in closet. That's a double bed. And it does have a bathroom. So, you know, I don't know whatever the dynamic of the group is. This could be for a mother-in-law, father-in-law, returning college student, if you have an au pair, nanny, you have space for them. And then this single sink, commode, and tile shower. Of course, walk-in closet. And this has the wood grain look tile floor. All right, and we're gonna go back across. Well, first off, we'll go into a lot of rooms here. They have beautiful French doors here to close. This is that extra space that you can use as an office, an exercise room. As you can see, they have 2 desks set up here. And in addition, there is a door that you can get to the outside lanai. All right, let's check out the huge primary bedroom. There's more storage, another closet. This also has the wood grain tile. This is where the carpet was when they purchased it. They got rid of the carpet and put that tile in. But look at the size of this room. So this is really their own oasis. So they have their bed. They put the 2 chairs in here and the ottoman because the parents like to come in and watch TV at night, and they have their own private little spot to do that. And that backyard is fenced. It's on the water. It's enclosed on all sides, and there is room for a pool. Okay, this is separate water closet. I know that's very important. You have large garden soaking tub. Look at that shower. Dual sinks, but each have their own space. And quartz countertops. Cabinets for all your doodads. And walk-in closet in the, this is the primary. All right, now let's take a look outside. Take another sweep over here so you get to see. All right, let's take it. Now these doors open up really wide. Now, again, possibilities. Some people come down and they want to enclose this. That's a possibility. Size of the yard. Again, like I said, it's enclosed on all sides, but look at this view. And this can be yours. And there are 2 lemon trees. The house has gutters. Now this, over in this section here, it's stucco on the exterior, but it is it's a frame home. It's not block and stucco. All right, we're gonna end this video right here. If you are interested in this property, you wanna give me a call, my number is up above. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. You can fish, my son would love this, to get fish right in his own yard. All right, everyone, we're gonna call it a day.